All right. Hey guys, this is Ime, and welcome back to Unbox and Chill, of course. I'm here with an unboxing. You already know that. That's what we do on this channel. We're going to check out something cool. I did get it from WatchKing.com from their watch wheel. It was about $300 to acquire. So listen, we're going to take a look. We're going to get into it. I do want to do a bit of housekeeping just before we kind of jump into the content here. I think we're 5 subscribers away or so from hitting 1,000. So hit that subscribe button. Join the Unbox and Chill family. Can't wait to hit that 1K. Like I said, we got a giveaway lined up. I'd like to send something cool out to someone. So listen, if you can hear my voice, hit that subscribe button. We do a lot of watch content on this channel. This is a watch channel. Every now and again, I may pepper something else in, but keep in mind, this is a watch channel. We do watch content here, okay? In terms of which watch, wrist watch check, I am wearing a custom Vostok. So it's a Vostok Amphibia from the Brian Van Way collection. This is a custom one here, and really nice piece that's near and dear to me. That's what we're wearing today. All right, let's jump into the unboxing. Let's get everything out of the way. We'll move this to the side. And we've got out of order. Okay, so if you've been paying attention on the channel, we have unboxed, I believe, 2 of these before. 2 of the Automatico models. These watches generally do come pre-distressed, pre-damaged, which actually, in theory, I think there's a little hype around this brand, but I will say that to me, the pre-damaged watch makes sense if you think about it. It makes sense to me because you get something that you can wear and not care about every little bump or every little scratch. The first time you get a nice watch, the first time you get a nick on it or something, you know, you if you're like me, you freak out, you're upset, you know, you try to rectify it. But what's cool about this is that normally, this one didn't, but normally they come pre-destroyed. So they kind of put them through a process so that they come and they look beaten up already. So that if you get another nick or another mark, it's just a part of the overall appeal of the watch, the overall aesthetic, I should say. So let's jump into this one here, guys. Let me turn on a light just so that we can get some detail. There we go. Hopefully that helps a little bit. And, oh, let me turn on my other light. There we go. Cool. All right, so now, this one came in a paper box, guys. It's a bit weird, just because they normally do come in like a wooden box. Okay, so this one came in a paper box, and I suspect because it wasn't damaged. So this does say damaged in Italy. That is their tagline, as I kind of just went over with you guys. But this particular one here, as I'll show you guys, normally they kind of add a process to this and they kind of do a bunch of stuff to it to make it look destroyed. This one didn't come destroyed, which was a little bit different to me in terms of how out of order operates generally. Just kind of the other goodies we'll go over real quick. You do get the book. It did come with this book. I guess the book was on top of the watch and maybe it scratched it up a little bit. But this is the manual. You do get the felt pillow. And keep in mind, this is just like a cardboard box. Like I said, usually the ones that come damaged come in a nice wooden box that feels very sturdy and nice. I think because this one didn't come damaged, it just came in a paper box. So let's go in for some detail shots here as we go over the specs. There we go. We'll zoom on in, and guys, this is the GMT Paris. That's the name of this particular model. As you can see, we do have kind of a Pepsi situation here on the bezel. You've got red on top, blue on bottom. You have a dial that fades from, it's blue up here. It gets kind of white here, but then it goes yellow at the bottom. So it's kind of a color shift on the dial. I do think that looks pretty cool. You've got white indices there. You do have some super luminova on those. And this is a GMT, so great for travel. But keep in mind that this particular watch is also going to be going to be quartz. So let's go over all of the as I bumped that. Let's go over all the specs here, okay? So 316L stainless steel case, as you can see there. And keep in mind, most of these watches come beaten up. You know, they usually have some discoloration or some marks and things on them. But this one is pristine. They decided not to, I guess, destroy this one. You've got something etched in it there. I think this is made in Italy, etched in the case there. In terms of the dial, again, you have a sunset. So it's supposed to be Paris sunset inspired is what it says. Shadow goes from yellow to light blue. So from yellow to light blue. Supposed to remind you of the Paris sunset. So you do get a sapphire crystal in terms of the glass there. You do get a sapphire crystal, which is nice to see that it comes in a sapphire crystal. Keep in mind, guys, on the MSRP on this one, it has it at about $375, I believe. Let me double check that here in terms of what they're saying on their website. Oh no, $329. So $329. So you do get a sapphire crystal on this one. The case back, which you can see there, does have, looks like a monument there. That case back is a 316L stainless steel, of course, as well. And it is a screw case back. It does have the Paris skyline on it, is what that is. The crown is, of course, it says is also 316L stainless steel. It is signed. It does say, it does have 3 O's for out of order on the crown there. And that is 316L stainless steel as well, is what it says. It has, let's see here, 100-meter water resistance rating on this one. So again, screw down crown, 100-meter water resistance rating. And then the bracelet is solid 316L stainless steel. And then I did tell you guys it's a GMT, so it does have a quartz movement. Let's try it on. It does have a quartz movement. This quartz movement is Swiss Ronda 5524H. That's the movement that's on it. So most of the watches that you see, you know, except for some of the like super low end, which I unboxed on this channel, the Paganis. You know, it comes with an automatic GMT. I feel like it usually costs some money on an automatic GMT movement. So a lot of times you'll see watches that do have a GMT movement in this price point. Just bear with me, I'm strapping it up here. Oh, Lord. So here it is here on the wrist, guys. As you can see, I think it does look pretty sharp on the wrist, actually. No telling if I'll hold on to this one. I do really like the GMT hand there. You can see the arrow with the red pointer there, and you do have that ticking, you know, that ticking seconds hand there. So overall, I think it's a nice look. I think it does look interesting. It's kind of like I said, one of the only out of orders that's not completely destroyed, completely beaten up. But I do think it has kind of a very clean overall look to it. You know, a little bit, like a little bit of pop where it should be, but not too much. Definitely a nice piece. I'm curious to know if you guys would wear this one. Let me zoom back out here. There we go. Curious to know if you guys would wear this one. Is this something that you would put on your wrist? Is this something that you would wear? This is it right here. It does have a, I do want to say as well that it has a 44 millimeter case. I wanted to mention that, I forgot. 44 millimeter case size. Keep in mind, I have 8¼ inch wrist, guys. So let me know, is this something that you think you can pull off in terms of the overall size as well? So first out of order that I've gotten that is not destroyed. Let me know what you think. Drop down into the comment section below. Is this something that you think you could pull off? Is this something that you think you could get away with? Not sure if I'll keep this one. It may end up getting flipped and maybe sold to someone else, and as I free up some cash, maybe get something else. But I really wanted to see this one in person. I'm glad I did. I think it's a great effort from Out of Order, and while I find some of their watches to be a little bit crazy priced, at just over 300 bucks, I do think this one hits the mark. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. This, of course, is Unbox and Chill. Give me a follow here on YouTube, and also follow us on Instagram at Unbox and Chill. Never shut out the Instagram, but I want to build that up over there. Give us a follow on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. This is, of course, Ime with Unbox and Chill, signing out.